check the version history of your apps, log into your Quixy account and navigate to the admin menu. Click on More and select Version Management. A list of all your apps will appear, with an option in the action column to view their version history. Any updates made to an app automatically create a new version. After making changes in Manage Apps and saving them, the system logs a new version without manual intervention. Return to the version management screen, find the updated app in the list and click the history icon in the action column. This will display the app's version history in chronological order. You can view changes or restore up to the last 5 versions. Simply click the restore icon next to the desired version, and your app will seamlessly revert to that version. As a result, you can ensure greater control over app updates while minimizing the risk of data loss.
We hope this was helpful and stay tuned for more tips.